Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with here maps to design accessible routing UI detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the Here developer portal. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the projects section on the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Project button. Fill in the required details, such as the project name and description. Select the relevant APIs and SDKs you would like to use, focusing on routing and mapping features. After completing the project setup, go to the Credentials section. Here, you will need to create an API key. Click on Create API Key and provide a name for it. Once your API key is generated, copy it for later use. Next, familiarize yourself with the Here Maps API documentation. This documentation will provide you with example code snippets and detailed information on how to implement the routing features. Create a new application or use your existing development environment to start coding. In your application, include the necessary Here Maps SDK libraries. Paste the API key you generated earlier into your application code. Now, you can start building the user interface for accessible routing. Make sure to implement features that accommodate various needs, like audio directions and visual cues. Test your application thoroughly, focusing on accessibility features. Finally, ensure that your application complies with relevant accessibility standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.